Hello. So I opened up the link that was attached to our work, Books Import database, and I saved it to my computer. Then I opened up a blank Access database, and I then imported the database that was from the work. I did this by going to external data. I went to new data source from database, and then I clicked access. Okay. When you click access, it shows you, it asks you to specify where you want to get it from. And so I browse and I attach the books table and I attach the books form. At this time, I then decided, as you suggested, I decided to research online how to actually go from form to split form. So to do that, I actually went to books, right? I went to the books form. I went to create, and I went to create tab. I went to forms group, clicked on more groups, and then clicked on split form. Split form then shows up like this: Black Hills Farm, and then it has the database sheet on the bottom. And then they wanted me to delete author code text, which was here. So I deleted the text and I deleted the label also. Then they wanted to use a title from ascending to descending, so I just clicked there and went sorted from A to Z. As you can see, it's already sorted as I did that earlier, sorted from A to Z. Then they wanted me to increase the font of their top theme, Black Hills Farm, to 14. So I went to home. So I already did this already, but I clicked on Black Hills Farm. Not letting it now, but I clicked on Black Hills Farm. And I put 14. You see it is bigger. And then use integral theme. So let's go to the book. I wouldn't like. Okay, anyway. So then I it's not showing now. I don't know why, but anyway. So I went to the font, and I went to medium gray under the colors. Then I went to integral theme. Okay, which would again be under like the tools. I then saved this. I finished and I saved it as split form books, which you can see here. You see books, and then you see split form books. Right. I then then it was instructed to switch the view to form, which I did, so you can see some form here. Alright, thank you.